Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to boost a Facebook post. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on the flag icon at the top of the screen and you'll see all of your pages. Now select the page you want to promote. Now tap on Ads. Now tap on Boost a Post. Now you have to select a post you want to promote. I'll go with this one. At the top of the page you'll see an ad preview. Just beneath that you'll see the insights. And then you have to set up a goal. Since this is a video, I'll select Get More Video Views. Now let's move on. You can also set up a button if you want to. Then you have to set up your audience. You can choose from multiple options given here. You can also create your audience base by tapping on Create New. I'll just select this one I have already set up. This is my target audience. Now let's go back. Then you have to set up your total budget. You can set up any amount according to your currency. Then you can also set your duration. Then tap on Add Payment Method. Now you have to add your debit or credit card. Now you're ready to go. Then you have to tap on Boost Post Now. And your boost request will be submitted. Within a few moments, Facebook will place the ad. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.